This is my favorite day.
It's the worst day of my life. I thought it was the best day of your life 5 minutes ago. Morning everybody! Ahmed left without me. We have our sprint meeting. It's Tuesday promptly at 10, so I gotta get out of here. The new prints that dropped today have the new photography that you guys have been seeing me work on with Giselle the first week of Ramadan, so that's really exciting. I hope you guys like it. Check it out and let me know what you guys think. What a beautiful day. Sun's out. So they finished this mural, and I guess this is what our building looked like back in the day. It looks dope. It's sprint meeting time. Let's go, you're late. Let's go. I'm on time. Let's go. Okay, I can't wait for you. Bye. I didn't make you do anything. Well, the first thing we need to discuss before we go through this sprint is we need to talk about next month's goals.
Noor is my nemesis for life.
Oh my Lanta. You created this, not me.
This is true.
Did you watch it, by the way? I watched it last night. That's why I responded with a double face and I said I'm taking over for a little bit. There's Melanie. She's praying to her Lord. That's our room of preference for prayer. That is, because it just has like stars. The other rooms have like images on them that are really distracting. Yeah. Every room has its own theme. It's really cool. This one's like old newspapers. This one's like constellations. Space. Yeah, outer space and constellations. That one's Wall Street. Yeah, that one's Wall Street. This is the bigger one. Noor is handwriting notes right now for all of you lovely ladies who put on hijab for the first time in Ramadan. We're so proud of you guys. I am handwriting notes for our girls getting those PR boxes. This is the office bully right here. So I watched the vlog on Sunday.
Yeah.
And I heard Noor was very obnoxious in your face kind of a person.
Yeah.
How in your face am I, Ahmed? Now you have to tell them why you love me. Go ahead, list a few reasons. Praise me.
She's one of the kindest, sweetest, most humble people that I know.
Keep going, that's not done. No, Habibi.
Most humblest, speak proper English.
I said most humble.
No, you said it wrong.
I said most humble. It's on video. She's the one who said humblest.
He said most nicest, most humblest.
Well, he's not done, I'm waiting.
And she's like the glue in the family. You know that person who just brings
Now he's
everything
BSing.
together?
No, he's right about that.
Okay.
That's true.
Okay.
I'm telling the truth. This is me.
Alright, now tell them about my food.
Your food? It's it's the best thing you can get or expect from Palestine. What else can you expect?
Ahmed.
You don't get my sense
And
of
your
humor?
homemade horse.
No, this is just the best revenge. Keep going, Ahmed.
That's it. What else do you want?
Hold on, I have to go back in your face again just because I'm always in your face kind of a person, right? There's Melanie. She's praying to her Lord.
It's our friend's birthday. He's really into health and fitness, and he doesn't eat carbs or dairy or sugar or bread or rice or wheat or grain. So we figured we'll get him this chicken. He does eat chicken. So
Look, there's a can on
he's
the
not
chicken.
a team member, but he's like honorary. This is your happy birthday. Happy birthday! Okay, Matt.
You could say it looks gross. So apparently I'm taking over the vlog today. I just thought that I was gonna roast Ahmed after he roasted me in the vlog 2 days ago. If you haven't watched that yet, go and watch it. And watch all the other vlogs too while you're at it. We are doing a really exciting project for this Eid, where we're basically going to encourage you guys to invite a convert to spend Eid with you. All those holidays where families get together can be a really lonely time for people who don't have family or don't have people to celebrate. And converts especially, if they don't have family who's Muslim and they don't know anyone in the Muslim community, then they don't really have anyone to spend Eid with, and it can be a really lonely time for them. We encourage you, if you have any friends who are converts, to invite them to spend Eid with you and your family. And if you are open to inviting a convert to spend Eid with you, but you don't know anybody, just stay tuned. We're gonna have some upcoming information on the blog post and on our Facebook and Instagram pages of how we can pair you guys together. If you're a convert or someone who just doesn't have anybody around them to celebrate Eid with, don't hesitate to reach out to us and we'll do our best to pair you with someone in your area, and I'm sure you'll start a lifelong friendship with them. Well, well, well. What do we have here? Don't question Veronica. They're done? Yes! Alright guys, team field trip to the FedEx office to mail out these PR boxes.
Literally everyone in this office hates us. We're so loud. They just wish they were us.
I think they love us. They're carrying all the boxes. We're gonna carry this for 7 minutes? Yes. This is ridiculous. I literally thought we were going downstairs in our building, because in our building there's a mail room. And I thought we were going there to drop them off and print out the labels. No one told me we're walking to the FedEx! You like my heavy packages that I'm holding? You're pregnant. You get a pass. We're gonna walk to the end of the island. Bag Shui, we're at the end. There's my Bag Shui. The entire island of Manhattan. Bag Shui, we're at the end. You're acting like you walk the entire island. You walk 2 blocks. And we're here. No. Alright, we're leaving FedEx with the boxes again. So we got there and the guy was like, we need to put these boxes in boxes. And then he told us he didn't have enough boxes. And then he told us there's a $10 fee for each box to get it out of the building because it's in a hotel. That's besides the shipping fees and the box fees and the handling fees and all the fees. What? No. I would like you all to know that I'm hand carrying your influencer boxes, influencers. I would like you all to know.
6 hours later.
We're still walking to another FedEx office. Look, post office right there. This is literally next to our building. Why the hell did we walk all the way over there? It says FedEx. Post office. We're doing FedEx. Well, what is that? USPS. Oh. So the PR boxes are out. That was the longest process in the world. Ahmed was there until like 7. Aaron's still there. They just finished.
It's exhausting, you guys.
This is the first time that Ahmed and I have a dinner date all Ramadan. You excited?
I know. Are you a good date though?
I'm the best. Dude, the guy came, I placed my order, I got our ceviche, and Ahmed, the waiter just sits and waits and waits and waits and waits, and he's like, I'll come back. We ain't got time, homie. We ain't got time. You need to decide now.
I didn't have a chance to look at the menu yet.
We can break our fast in like 10 minutes. Oh my God, he's still not ready. Allah,
Okay.
Allah. The food came and it's not time yet.
Is it breaking my fast if I do this?
No, we took forever ordering. And then he's gonna come out and be like, what the heck? Y'all didn't even eat. Look how good the ceviche looks. Oh my God. So we just finished dinner and we need to go pray Maghrib before we miss it.
Yep.
We still have a half hour. So hope you enjoyed today's vlog and Noor's takeover. And we'll see y'all tomorrow.
Salam. Hope you don't fall asleep watching Noor.